Okay guys, good day, good morning. Alright, this is a tutorial on how you can withdraw from your HAVEN1 token. Now if you participated on this token, congratulations. Today the wallet connection is open from the Satoshi app. Now if you have done this whole process in which I pasted here, what you need to do is just link your wallet on the Satoshi app. But if you haven't, this is your first time. If this is your first time, this is what you do. There are 5 steps in which you can do it for you to be able to withdraw your tokens from the Satoshi app. Now, these are 5 steps. I wrote them out. Now, step one is to import MetaMask to our Bitget wallet. Now, if this is your first time of doing this, if you participated on the CTO airdrop, the CTO, now I don't think you have any business to import your wallet. Maybe you might have done that already. But if you haven't imported your wallet from your MetaMask to your Bitget, I think the tutorial is here. If you come to our YouTube page, it is here. How to withdraw your CTO using your Bitget wallet. Now in this video, I explain how you can import your wallet from your MetaMask to your Bitget wallet. So that is the very first thing you need to do. Make sure you have imported your wallet from your MetaMask to your Bitget wallet. So if you haven't done that, you can come here and watch the video, see how we imported our wallet from our MetaMask to our Bitget. So if you have done that successfully, and then you can head on to step 2. So make sure you have done this. Now step 2 is to copy the link and then paste it on your Bitget browser. Now this is step 2. Copy this link here. This is the link. Copy the link and then come to your Bitget wallet. Come to your Bitget wallet. This is our Bitget wallet. You come to the browser. Excuse me, you come to the browser and then paste that link here. It's very important. I have done this already. So just come here, paste your link. So show this now. As you join, you connect your wallet. I have done this already. That's the reason why most of these things are just. So what you have to do is just click on, you verify your identity. I have done this already. The only issues I'm having with this one is the facial part of it. You see this one showing it tick. The remaining one is just this other one, proof of liveness and ID document. This one I'm having issues with this one. So if you too are also having the same thing, you can just skip it. Alright, so once you have connected your wallet, it will bring out all these informations. Your wallet will see showing connecting. It is connected already. So what you need to do is just come here, claim H1 tokens. That's what you should do. You just claim. So if you have successfully gotten to this part, you have created your account, you have inputted your nationality, make sure you input. It's going to ask you which type of account. Make sure you put in individual. It's an individual account or personal account. So you can just come here. I've withdrawn I only received 10 of my H1 balance currently. So this is your wallet address is here. It's the same thing with your MetaMask. If you check your MetaMask, you see that the wallet here is the same thing. So we imported our MetaMask to our Bitget wallet. So if you are successfully registered, it is simple. Now step 2 is complete. Alright, step 2, copy your link and paste it. Now what you need to do is to register and claim. I talked about that one already. You need to register and then claim your tokens. Step 4, which is the last one, is to copy your address and link it to your Satoshi app. Now this is how you can copy your address. Come to your Bitget wallet. This is it. After you have gotten to this part, go back. Let me just cancel this. Come to home. and then this is it. This is wallet 2. This wallet 2 is our imported wallet from our MetaMask. This is it. You can just come here and then you see this icon here. Excuse me. You just copy your wallet. You have copied it successfully. You copy it, then go back to your Satoshi app and then link your wallet. Go back to your Satoshi app and then link your wallet. So it's going to show you wallet link successfully. So once you have successfully linked your wallet, you can just then come back to this part and then check your wallet. It should show. And I have done that already. That's the reason why I just do click on join. I've joined. Just wait. It's going to connect by itself. It's been connecting because it's connected already. You can just then click here to show. Right. So which other last part is to then wait for it to appear. So I've seen mine already, so mine I've completed before. So please make sure before you start this whole thing, first one is to import your MetaMask to your Bitget wallet. Alright, so that is how you can withdraw from your H1 on your Satoshi app. Make sure you have imported your wallet from your MetaMask, and if you have done that, congratulations. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated on any video we upload. Thank you guys, and see you on our next video. Don't forget the link is here. Please, it's also here. Thank you guys.